I've never been here, so I'm just gonna wander and see how lost I can get. It's very pretty. It's very pretty right here. So, here's the springs area. Here's the pool, and they're doing Moana trivia right now. And there's an arcade in the back over there. Do they have a slide? Oh, they do have a slide. Oh, there's a baby slide too. Oh, that's a big old leaf. What the heck? It's the little things. Where's the slide? The slide comes out right there. That's the big one. And then there's the baby one right over there. So pretty. There's this. Ooh, the day after my birthday. The day after May 17th is my birthday. There's a giant lobby. They're playing cartoons. It's so nice in here. There's people. What the heck? And these are brand new as well. That's a cute little bag. Okay, we'll get the hardest palette so I can talk to you guys now. It's so quiet in there, I don't want to talk to anyone. And right next to it is the Turf Club Bar and Grill. There's seating outside. Still chairs. Gotta take my mask off, but I can't breathe. I'm gonna go. I can't walk that way. This that goes into the pool. Oh my goodness. I wonder if there's any hidden Mickeys over here. So I'm good wondering we're finding Mickeys. Oh, Sensa's Spa is over here. I didn't know that was at Saratoga. Wow. I know where Sensa's is. It's here. I thought it was at Floridian, actually. So. stairs to the side. So where are we now? Here. And there's a pool bar. There's on the other side of the pool. Over there. Bathrooms, bathrooms, bathrooms. I walked over here. It's all the restaurants. What 17? DVC. I'm looking up down here. There's a play area. Lots of pools. There's a barbecue. What the heck? I'm not gonna walk all the way over here. Those are all hotel rooms. So I could walk over to the Treehouse Villas though. I could walk over here. Here's where you can rent bikes in Missouri bikes. So I can't really do it by myself, so what are the prices here? $21. What? Why? They're so cute though. I know. So 2 and 4. And if you have babies, they can sit up front. Video rentals. The arcade is closed. There it is. Ooh, Star Wars game. So is the arcade. It's temporarily closed. There's people. So dark. It starts there. This one. There's also a pool table with 0 balls on it. You guys can play pool. There's rooms. And ping pong. You can play ping pong. Community hall is there. That's the back side of it. Fire. So there's the very empty boat dock and a giant golf course. You can do, this is the LBV golf course. I'm totally in the way of all the golf cart traffic, but I'm currently, there's a hidden Mickey. I'm currently walking grass now, because I'm in the way of all the golf cart traffic. So I'm walking the old Key West right now. It's a long walk from Saratoga Springs, which is right there. Oh, birdhouses. There. Purple martins. There's none here today. And if you guys are wondering why I sound so muffled, I'm finally wearing my marine mask. It's so thick. It's a very thick mask. So I'm like dying. It's way thicker than my Snoopy mask. I'm dying. Let's see him at it. See it there. horse racing music. I was just choking on my water, so sorry. There's little Mickey things. There's a duck. Can you see the duck all over there? Or that white Mickey? I think that's a duck. Or it's just a bird. Looks like a duck. Just little Mickey things. It's so cool. I finally found signs pointing to Old Key West, so I'm going the right way. It is called LBV Golf. I don't know what that abbreviation is for. But Old Key West is that way. I think boats can go through this canal waterway. I'm not really sure. And Saratoga Treehouse villas are across this bridge here. I saw some, or I saw one treehouse villa. So I'm gonna go see if I can get close to one, because they're very pretty. They're very huge too. They're bigger than the cabins at Fort Wilderness, like much bigger, because they're villas. So if you have a bigger family, you want like a cabin-y experience, I recommend doing the treehouse villas, because they're in the woods area. Oh, here. There's one right there. I'm gonna try to walk up close to one of them, but before right off of the Old Key West Trail, they're all taken. But here's one of them. Look how big it is. Got like stairs going up to here, and then as I get into there, this is 7031 cabin. Let's see, look. What's this one? They're pretty big, so should be like, it's pretty big treehouse villa. So I feel like this would be a better experience if you want the cabin-y outdoor vibe. But the Fort Wilderness cabins are just way too tiny for big families. So if you have a big family, come here instead. It's butterflies, and these are at Saratoga Springs. Just so you guys know where they are. And it's kind of like free entry to get in here, because there's no person at the front gate. It's just, you can just drive in here to the treehouse villas, because I've done it before. It's kind of like free to get in, to drive around the treehouse villas. It's a secret tip, don't tell anyone. I just noticed the other bridge over here. Whoop, there's a bridge here. There's another bridge over there. So there's a lot of bridges. And these are boat canals, because there's these signs here. That one says Marketplace. This one says Disney's Old Key West on it. I literally just walked over there to see it. Don't worry, I was careful of gators. Don't worry, there's butterflies. It's a long walk. I'm still walking. Yikes. Oh, there's that's where I just was. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's more signs there. Where are the white ones? Old Key West and something else. There's a bird in the water and I don't know what it is. I'm too far away. Oh, it's a duck. Only ducks do butt wiggles, and I just did a butt wiggle. Oh, there's some. It looks like a duck. Let's hope it's a duck. Here's what the little Mickeys look like. I just ran up here. Oh, there's hibiscus flowers over there. I cannot read that sign. Look, oh, it is a duck. This duck's all alone. Oh. You need popcorn. Probably misses popcorn. I finally made it over to Old Key West. I can see Typhoon Lagoon Mountain from here. Right there. Which is still closed. But Old Key West. There's a little car that drove by. I wish he could have picked me up. Man. There's a long walk over here. And that water barriers. At least I finally made it. It was a nice walk though. I really, really liked it. Just trees and nature. Lots of birds. There's a lot of birds. I didn't see any alligators or snakes though, but lots of ant mounds. So don't really walk on the grass over here because there's ants. Okay. Bye-bye, birdie. Where'd you go? He disappeared. Here's something. There. Can't go to Disney Springs from here though. You can just do that. And there, I feel like a little baby waterfall. There. This kind of ruins the Disney magic, but because pipes. But there's a little waterfall, kinda, in here. Okay, West! It just continues. This river goes all the way to the Everglades. That's what it does. You know that if you ride the Skyliner a million times. Quiet pool. I can't walk over there because there's a family over there. And there are people all the way in the back. It's kind of sad to be all the way in the back of a resort. We can drive back here. You get your own little parking spots. But I don't know that. I've been at Old Key West before, but not in the back. So, there's a playground. I think you can actually use that one. I don't know. Just remember I just walked in there. Playground that I think is usable. This is also a DVC resort. So, Saratoga Springs was. This one is too. There's no sidewalks over here. Except on that side. I don't want to walk on that side. There's little Mickeys in the railways. Or staircase rails. I like how they have porches attached. I don't think it's every room. There's a bird. I don't think there's a porch or balcony, whatever you prefer. I don't think there's one in every room, but there's quite a lot. So, if you guys just want to sit outside in the scorching heat, you got a balcony patio thing. There's a sidewalk on my side of the road now. Oh, housekeeping. Housekeeping is kind of like a rare thing now. Because once you leave your resort, housekeeping has to wait like 1 to 2 days or something. I mean, they do your rooms, but it's like the turnover, right? Is 24 to 48 hours before someone else can go in the room. I don't know what the whole housekeeping situation is. There's a volleyball court and the fire pit. There's a car for security. Oh, I kind of wanted to peek inside a room, but it's kind of hard to find one that's like not occupied or under housekeeping. So I just wanted to peek in one. I think I hear someone at the tennis court. Main pool. So, maybe bus stop. Water fountain. More buildings. This is the Peninsular Road bus stop. Random place for an ice machine, but okay. Lighthouse by the pool. So, there's a ton of bus stops. What the heck? This is the first one I've seen. Please wait here by the stool. This way here is facing this way. I can't wait to get on the bus. Alright. I think I walked from like all the way over here. Oh my gosh. But there I am. If this is still the LBV golf course, then it's huge. There's something down here. Wait, is there a bunny? What is it? What is it? What's making noises? Oh, it's with this thing. It's weird looking. It's same color as a bird. But it's also like, it's the same beak as the white birds. So you guys see it is right here. What is it? It's all by itself. Oh, it left. Hope you guys could have seen it. Did you guys see it? And here's the main area for everything. There's so many security cars everywhere. There's so many vacation houses. This is a big DVC resort. I should look up what the biggest one is. Oh, I need to put my mask on. There's a lot of people over here by the pool bar. I think Olivia's Cafe is over here somewhere too. There's so many people. I hate talking around people. So many people. I like that. Oh, there's two chairs. Two chair tables. There's a marina. So here's this. I just have my mask on, so it's muffled now. So nothing's working. I love this resort. Olivia's. I mean, technically the last time I was here was January. It literally was. For Christmas. Community hall, pool, bar, and good food to go. I can just make a turn. You can also do sorry bikes and bicycles. But that. I'm barely tall enough to even do it. Check-in area for Olivia's. Check-in. I love these things. You're so cool. Wait. I always have to test everything. Look how they drink so much. What does this one do? It doesn't move. Engine. Here are the times. General store. Check in. Well, I'm not checking in anywhere, so I can't go in. There's a very pretty lobby. Oh no, Disney Springs bus. Oh no.
Hello and welcome home. We've got a chariot coming in. She's a watermelon princess. Hello. That looks like an awesome lunch set in there.
Huh? Hold on.
It'll probably be over there.
Jules, I'll be back in a minute.
Yeah.
What's up, Mom? I couldn't hear you.
A magazine or a book. Put it on there. I got books. I do not have magazines. I don't know what she wants. I don't even know what she wants. We have to see what Grandma wants, honey.
Look at all the decorations in here. Always look up when you come to these places. Just so you guys know, this is where the Christmas decorations go. Right there. It's so hard putting decorations up there. By the way, it's so hard. I don't know how new these are. Oh, here's this one. This is brand new. Oh, it's cute. So cute. It's so dinky and cute. Giant water. I totally walked by this. Look at the giant salty water. Oh, I haven't seen this one before. Oh, it's heavy. Oh my gosh. Heavy tumbler. Heavy, heavy, heavy. So pricey. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy.